Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question.
1. A plant hormone, A, must bind to a dedicated receptor. B, induces gene transcription. C, can affect kinases. D, all of the above. E, none of the above. 2. Plant hormones can be transported. A, long distances. B, short distances. C, across membranes. D, all of the above. E, none of the above. 3. The classic 5 hormones include A, auxin, gibberellins, and strigolactones. B, abscisic acid, jasmonic acid, and ethylene. C, ethane, auxin, and cytokinins. D, all of the above. E, none of the above. 4. Plant hormones must A, be synthesized in high concentrations. B, elicit transcriptional responses. C, act gradually at distant places in the plant. D, all of the above. E, none of the above. 5. Plant hormones have a high degree of conservation across the plant kingdom. B, low degree of conservation across the plant kingdom. C, moderate degree of conservation across the plant kingdom. D, all of the above. E, none of the above.
In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.